Alright guys, good day. We are here right now at North Grove here at North Fundidor Mall. And we are so blessed. It's because we are here with Ma'am O. And
Yes.
she will be touring us and giving us a walk around for the marketplace here. And their store is open from Mondays to Sundays at
Correct.
9 and 9 p.m. And we will be inviting everybody to come. And also, please, hindi ka mo mahuya if you are Ilonggos and you are here, lapit diri sa may North Grove, pwede gid ka mo diri kakadto sa may the marketplace. So, Ma'am O, let's go inside.
Yes, thank you. Fresh morning, everyone. Welcome to Marketplace.
Yay! so, Ma'am O, marketplace
Yes.
started here at North Grove mga what year po?
Bale, we opened last September 26 of
Okay.
2025.
Oh,
and
just
this
last
is our second branch.
Okay.
Yes, actually the first branch is nasa Festive.
Oh, so there you have it. If you are there, baka nakapunta kayo sa Festive,
Yes.
pasyal kayo doon sa the marketplace, and you are here near naman sa Villa, Oton, Tigbawan, Gimbal, this part here of the city, no, or of Iloilo, you could really go here to the marketplace at North Grove. So, Ma'am O, we could have now yung mga pwede nilang bilhin dito sa the marketplace.
Yes, let's have a tour. So to start with, this is our delicatessen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we offered, meron tayong mga cold cuts. We also have imported cheese.
Wow.
So if you plan to have a cutlery board for special occasions, especially for this coming Father's Day, you can come and check. We'll be having a cutlery board for the presentation.
Wow.
And we can also do a pre-order if you want.
So, grabe. Di na ka mo magpangita pa sa iban or ba sa iban sa ila, ma'am. They are having, paano ko ni makaprepare sang
Yes.
special ka mga food for occasion. So, ari na siya may the marketplace.
Correct. These are imported naman na cheese and cold cuts. And you know, we have our trained personnel for that. So just in case lang, we have plenty of assortments that are available.
Wow. Grabe. And I could see, Ma'am O, no, ang prices nila are not really that expensive.
Yes.
They are really
Correct,
pwede gid gali sa tanan makabakal.
Correct. Rather than, you know, I know there are onlines that you do
Yes.
order, you know, but you know, if you come here at nakikita nyo talaga,
Yes.
at least you can choose. I want
Tama.
this, I want that. And then
Tama.
it's a very reasonable price. And
Yes.
most of all, imported pa.
Yes. Sige, Ma'am O.
All right.
Next.
So let's. Can I also plug
Yes.
our wellness first?
Oh.
This started on May 15 until June 30.
Wow.
So for those who are very conscious about their figure and their health,
Yes.
we have all this product, less protein, less sugar available in Marketplace.
Wow. Oh. Do para ginima mo sa pareha sa akon nga medyo conscious na
Conscious.
taas na
Correct.
imong taas na imong cholesterol, uric, sugar,
correct,
etc. So
yes.
wow, at least isa na lang ka place sila makadto dire.
Yes, that's
And
right.
This is just very cheapo, 192.
Yes, less sugar, less sodium also.
Sa inyo dira nga sa inyong base figure and all, so pwede gina dire.
Yes.
Wow, grabe na. Sige, Ma'am O.
So this is our produced area where we have our imported fruits naman, and
Wow.
we have also imported vegetables, fresh, and so medyo tayo ngayon, less assortment lang kasi we're waiting for our delivery coming from Baguio and from
Wow.
other places. But then again, if you come and visit us during weekends, yes, we do have a lot of assortments for that.
And siguro, Ma'am O, no, we have to really discuss this. Siyempre, na wala man sang kung ano dira, at least ang quality that you would be getting here. Siyempre, when it comes sa ilang quality control, makita nyo gid nga best gid nga product ang ilang i-serve sa inyo. Especially sa inyo, dira nga mga medyo conscious sa mga muna bala, kung safe ni, tinlo ni, kung okay ni sa sakon. Diri sa marketplace, they have it here.
Okay, so moving forward. So here, if you can see, this is our aisle for all the imported brands that you can
Wow.
find only in Marketplace, or
Wow.
as we can say, exclusive. So we have Waitrose. This is our organic food, organic and healthy foods. We have also our casino, and we have also our media products, which is on the other side. So
Wow.
for here, we all have the imported ones, which nakikita nyo na sinaserve sa mga, like for this one, this is being served sa mga Italian restaurant, which is, pag nag-order kayo, quite expensive. But here, if you can get one piece from one piece,
Yes.
then you can have a luxury and the taste of an imported pasta in your home when you do grocery here in Marketplace.
Wow, so shout out for all of you maybe expats who are here in Iloilo City and you are finding the real ingredient for the food that you want. Ari na dire sa may the marketplace. Kada mo bala ma'am ka pumawat, lain man ni ang iyang taste, lain ni ano, what is maybe it's with the ingredient. And some of them, they're still buying it in Manila. There's some, but here gali may ari naman
correct.
dire available sa the marketplace.
So, we'll go to our station for our ice creams.
Wow.
For our ice creams, we also do serve our imported and local. Now, this one is our guilt-free.
Wow.
So this is zero sugar, less sugar. So if you feel you're getting, guilty of taking something sweet,
Wow.
for sweet tooth, you can. For healthy options, this is your ice cream.
Wow.
For those who are very conscious, you also have this.
Wow.
Yes.
Grabe. This is first time ko nakakita sa Sininga brand.
Yes.
Okay, wow.
We have,
Grabe.
meron naman tayo, even here,
This
we
one.
put all our label also. At least meron
Sugar-free,
tayong keto and sugar-free products.
Yes, especially sa inyo, maybe na kamo sa age kasi diyan may maintenance na kamo sa inyong mga sugars, no? Basta may ga-take na kamo mga metformin, etc. Basta insulin na, pwede ni sa inyo.
Insulin.
Oh, gani ma'am.
Okay, so moving forward,
Wow.
this is also our dairy station. So all imported butters that we have that you're be using for your baking. We also have mga cream cheese also products
Yes.
that we have. We have mozzarella. We have different kinds of cheese.
Yes.
Like we also have here our imported brands like Mainland. We have our Amborg. So different kinds of cheese that you want, you can
Wow.
find it here in Marketplace.
Yes, because I have been talking with some people who came from other countries and then they get to taste ang local na to nga cheese. That's not the real cheese. Ano real cheese? Kaya mo ng cheese din naman. So technically, for those of you who are finding the cheese nga imported, you could get it
So
here.
it's either you want to have some pizza also. We also have our
Yes.
mozzarella and other different kinds of cheese.
Wow, grabe, no? So even for business people, maybe you want to get a taste of the real deal. You could give it a try, no? Find ang inyong mga raw materials that you are getting for your restaurants and check it out. There is my marketplace.
So we also have our Ben and Jerry's, which is also an important brand of ice cream. And by the
Wow.
way, Ben and Jerry's, nasa buy one, take one po tayo.
Wow, look at that. Buy one, take one. Imagine. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. Grabe. Ice cream section pa lang.
Yes.
Sobrang ano na.
So
Marami
locals,
na.
meron tayong Selecta, may Magnolia man tayo. We have our imported also from this side also. So we also have Bula. Yeah, we also have other kinds of brands of ice cream that are also imported.
Wow.
We also have our hot dog sausage,
sausage,
hot dog stations. We have also our dim sum for those who love to make hot pot.
Hot
I
pot,
guess, yes.
yes.
Meron tayong available din dito.
Look at that. Okay. So I think for those of you who wants to get a little bit of a variety of the food na you want to eat, and also maybe you're just getting it from restaurants and you wanna do it at home, and you are finding ingredients, give it a try. Please go here at the marketplace, and maybe the ingredient that you have and you are finding, makita nyo diri sa ila. Kaya I'm so amazed nga may mga amo na digdigli sila.
Yes, correct.
Wow.
It is quite difficult to, to find from other grocery stores.
May hot pot soup set na sila. Look at that. Wow, sige Ma'am O. Ay nako, doon nagutom na ako sa ginang istorya ni Ma'am O.
Thank you.
Wow.
All right. So also for our Arabic and Indian brothers and sisters, we also have our prata and chapati section. Kasi
Wow.
it's also hard to find yung mga
Yes.
iba and they would also order it online pa.
Yes.
So we have, just in
Wow.
case lang, here in Marketplace.
And knowing grabe ng varieties ang mga nationalities here at Iloilo
Yes,
City.
correct.
So at least you could come in here para one-stop shop na maybe you are a kung sa ano pa ano nitawag ang Indian, then may family ka nga
Yes.
Filipino, para isa na lang ka lugar ang inyong
Correct.
baklan sa inyong food kadto na kamo sa marketplace. Wow. Wow, amazing.
All right. So, if you can see also, aside from sa ating bigasan station, we also have different kinds of oil. Our oils are from international and local. And it's
May olive oil.
categorized
Wow.
also according to, your distinction, your health distinction, from olive oil to extra virgin.
Wow.
Yes, from avocado oil to almond oil.
Siyempre, ang
we
mga,
have a lot
mga
of
health conscious,
assortment.
Ma'am Amo, ginang gusto nila ang mga
Correct,
oil.
yes, correct. Perfect for pasta or yung mga panggisa-gisa, but when you're health conscious enough.
Wow. All in one shop na
Yes,
Ma'am
correct.
Ona. Yes. Next naman.
And also,
Dali. Here, naglibot kita. Wow.
all right. So this is what we are proud of. As you can see, this is our meat station. We only serve the best imported meats coming from, if you can see, we have flags on it, coming from Australia,
Wow.
from US, and we also have our ready butcher, You can have a pre-cut if you want to order for some beef and you want an extra cut or something special cuts. We have our butcher
Wow.
naka-standby. And these butchers are trained sa Manila with a very professional butchers as well.
Wow.
So all our imported, kung mahilig kayong mag-steak, di ba Pedro? Mag-steak tayo and all, yung mga samgyupsalan,
Yes.
we have that. We have those cuts.
May wangyu, Ma'am, no?
Yes, correct. And imagine, pag nasa restaurant ka, masyadong mahal. Masyadong mahal. Pero if you buy here and you
Yes.
do your own, we have the sauces also for that, by the
Yes.
way.
Wow.
So you can get it here also in Marketplace.
There you have it. Maybe some of them had steaks in some prestige na mga restaurants here in Iloilo, and they wanted to get a taste and just do it sa bahay nila. You could get it here at
Correct.
Marketplace. Wow.
We also have lump steaks in our frozen, which are on buy one, take 500. Also for our beef burger season, which is also buy one and take 500 for free.
Wow. There you have it. Where's next, Ma'am O?
Next one is our frozen seafoods.
Ooh.
So we have the finest brands like Pacific Bay. And these are frozen, like we have
Wow.
catfish fillet here, we have our salmon, we are tangingi, we have squid rings that are really big for international or imported products. We have also our pampano. So these are our frozen area for our frozen seafoods.
Amazing. May scallops po.
Yes.
So our American friends there.
Yeah.
Kasi when they find scallops, they said scallops are different. So let's check it. You could check it here at Marketplace.
Yes, come and visit us.
Yes.
Do your shopping and your grocery here in our place.
Look at that.
Yung mga naghahanap ng turkey, we
Ooh.
also have buttered boiled turkey. Available po tayo.
Wow. That one. Pang Thanksgiving, ma'am, no? Pwede.
Pang Thanksgiving.
Yes.
And I think that's July.
Yes.
July 4, right?
Malapit na.
So malapit na.
Especially for Philippine Americans, no?
Yes,
That are
correct.
celebrating. Wow. And then, grabe. So there you could see, I thought, although when you are just in the front area, the space is just very little. But if you come in, I think that's fair to say that all-in-one na talaga yung marketplace
Correct.
na pwede nyong bilhan ng kailangan ninyo. They have rice here. Wow.
For those who are looking for Japanese rice, we have available of Japanese rice as
Oh.
well. We have Thai rice. We have also our biryani rice for our Indian brothers there.
Okay.
Arabic rice we also have for our Muslim brothers as well.
Wow. All walks of
Yes, correct. We
Right,
also
ma'am.
have imported pastas, and we also have your imported, how do you call this man, condiments. We also
Yes.
have this side. If you're looking for this kind of mga imported finds, we also have here in Marketplace.
Wow.
So it's not just a local grocery, but 60% of our product here in Marketplace are all imported.
Wow. So there you have it, especially now here at Iloilo. As you could see, damo naging sa mga foreigners and all. You could go right here at the marketplace. Ma'am, let's not make this a little bit longer. Could you
Yes.
invite our viewers to come in here at Marketplace?
Yes. So I would like to invite everybody from the whole walks of life here in
Yes.
Panay, the
Yes.
entire Western Visayas,
Yes.
to please come and visit us here in Marketplace. We are
Yes.
located at North Grove at Fundidor. If you're familiar with Teos, andito lang po kami.
Yes.
So come and visit us, and take a look and take a peek. Probably there are some items that you need at your home na nandito kami.
So there you
see
have it.
you.
And also, don't worry because they have a lot of parking spaces here. They have parking spaces even sa basement nila. You don't have to worry if you have cars, if you have anything. And you could also bring your family because here at the marketplace, it's not just here at the North Grove pala, it's not just like marketplace alone. You could also go to different places here and get the taste also of what other na mga businesses here. But if you are a business, you want to be featured, next comment down below. And thank you very much, Ma'am
Thank
O,
you so
for
much.
having us.
Yes.
And again, see you. Ako, I'm so amazed just coming in here. Actually, I've been to Marketplace sa
Festive.
Festive.
Alright.
And I'm so amazed kung diri sa North Grove,
Yes.
mas damo pagid kamo diri makita,
Correct.
ang damo pagid kamo nga mga ingredients, mga pagkaon nga makita diri.
Yeah,
So,
and to shout out also,
Yes.
please do follow the Marketplace Iloilo page.
Yes.
Meron po tayo, you can message us
Yes.
if you want to ask something for
Yes.
product availability,
Yes.
if you want to do a pre-order and we can
Yes.
prepare it for you and pick up. And soon, we will be having our Grab as well.
wow. So there you have it. This has been Brand Boss. God bless everybody and see you on our next vlog. Bye.
Thank you!